All right, guys, here we go. Wednesday, April 13th. Looking at the 2 minute chart of AMD, Advanced Micro Devices. And right now in pre market, we're sitting about 95.10. And we're just going to see. Well, let me look at the SPY real quick. And the SPY is a little bit lower. It's the ETF for the S&P 500. So it looks like the major markets are down just a tad. So we'll see if they can recover maybe a little bit lower, and then the Fed will come in and support these stocks. As you know, we've been kind of in a downdraft here for a while, really since first of the year. So maybe we can get a little bit of recovery. Then, well, and just this week actually, we've been a little soft here as well. And looks like we're a little bit behind here. So let me put you on pause and we'll pick it up as the price action starts. Oh, here we go. Here we go. I didn't even have to put you on pause. Okay. This blue dash line is from the daily. It'll get over there. We have this little high pivot zone where it was real strong resistance after this big breakout. Came down, hit the 200 and bounced. So, and that's around 95, almost 95 even. So we're going to see if that holds support on this 2 minute chart, and we get a little push to the upside. And if we do, let me make this blue. We're going to let the first 2 minutes go and see how this thing turns out. Kind of see if we can't get a trend going here. We did break out a little bit of this down trend line yesterday on the close, and now we're putting in a pretty sizable red candle. But like I said, we got to wait till it closes. Still have less than a minute to go, and we're under that, obviously, that let me put this up here so it's not confusing. Our blue dash line from the daily, from that high pivot zone. So it looks like that 95 that we were hoping would be possible support may not be, but so we'll see. And let me bring this trend line down. Let's see. That's pretty cool. From yesterday, we tagged it, but we got to stay above it. And then what we'll do, we're getting ready to about less than 20 seconds to go. So we'll see if we can't get a little run up here, and got a little high pivot here. So if we go above, if we roll up past the top of this, the bar, the red bar now, we'll take a long position. It looks like, okay, inside bar right now. We did close over the 20 and that thicker blue dash line at 95. So it gives us a little hope we might push up a little bit. We'll take I forgot to say, we'll take 1,000 shares along on margin, and we'll just do it a market buy here. And there's only about a penny difference between the bid and the ask, so we're not going to get stung too bad on that. So still inside bar. I mean, we could go several candles here. I doubt if we will. I'm just saying we could be. You could go. Here we go. Okay, we're in. I didn't quite catch the bottom there. And then let me see when we can get out of here. We'll see if we get a run up to this high pivot, then we'll get out. Okay, we're out. And that'll do it. Okay, so that didn't take long. And then for evidence, let me put this as the candle we got in on. And that was really about less than a minute. Yeah, that was a good choice. The reason why we picked this zone to get out is that's where high pivot resistance. See how we swung up? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 minutes. We couldn't get over that, then came back down. Not that we couldn't later on. I don't know if you can hear that, but North Texas storms out there. All right, guys. Sorry about that. Phone rang. Yeah, we got out up here right when we crossed over, and reverse big sell-off, and now we hit the 20 again. It's like we're really running up. Let me see what the SPY's doing. Yeah, it's moving up too. So it looks like we might have a head fake today. Well, who this just start of the day, so who knows? But meaning, they dropped it lower than they're pushing it back to the upside here. Got about 12 seconds to go. We'll take a short up here, meaning if it hits the 200. Make that red. But anyway, I might come back and do that on another video. This one's getting a little long. People like them, 3 to 5 minutes. We've already hit 5 minutes here. All right, guys, hang in there. And thanks so much for being members. And we will see you. Yeah, I see I missed that. We'll see you on the charts. Dang, I missed it. All right, out.